Guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video, we'll see how to create a puzzle transition in Filmora. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, then make sure you download it from the link in the description below. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button to follow for more Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, I have the media in the bin. So let me first bring out the second video which I will be using to transition. As you saw, we will be cutting this image into two parts and then bringing them together as a transition of joining puzzle, and that's basically the transition. So I will select one frame from this video which I want to start the video with. So this is the frame I want to start the video with, where the car is at the center. So what I will do, I will cut this video over here, delete the part before it, and I will go into the first frame, and over here I will click on snapshot. So as you can see, if I hover over it, it is the snapshot option. So I'll just click on it and the snapshot will appear over here, as you can see. So once this snapshot appears over here, we need to take this and edit this image in Canva. So I will see you on the other side. I am in Canva right now. As you can see, you just need to search YouTube thumbnail and all these options will come up, and you can create a template create a blank template by clicking over here. Now once you have created the blank template, so you can go into uploads and upload the image that you want to do. I've already uploaded it, so I will just bring it into this template and then increase the size maybe, and then click on effects and go into background remover over here and click on it. So this is, I'm using a paid version of Canva. If you don't have the paid version, you can use the free background remover from the link in the description, and you can use that to remove the background image for free. So as you can see, we just have the car. So what I will do, I will click on restore. I will increase the size and I will restore everything. So make sure every part of this image is restored so that we don't have any problem going ahead. So as you can see, it is restored. Now what I will do, I will click on erase and I will decrease the size a little bit, and then I will erase the part above over here. I will use this part as the reference line and erase everything above it. Now once you have erased the upper part, what you do, you just directly download this. Click on transparent image, make sure it is PNG, and click on download. So once you have downloaded, so you can simply click on add image, add page, and then add this image once again. You can download both of them together as well, but I was having some issue while I was doing them together, so I did this. So now here what you will do, you will click on effects and again click on background remover, and again as you can see, we just have the car. So I will click on restore. I will increase the size of the brush and restore everything, and now I will just click on erase and I will erase this part below. So as you can see, I'm taking that line as the reference and I will erase this part. Now I will simply download this PNG, and if you want, this is not a neat work, so what you can do, you can create a duplicate page of this and then click on detach image from background and just bring it down and place it over it. So you can simply add the image from above and you can try to compare if you have completed both the image together. So as you can see, we can see some white lines over there. So what you can do, you can simply again go effects and again do the background removing and add those lines over here, so that we have a complete image at the end if we join both of them together. Once you're done with this, just click on download and bring them into the Filmora app. So welcome back to the last and the final part of this video. So let me just bring the first video into the timeline and here together. So this is the first video. and this will transition into this car video over here, which is in the after the second video. So once you're done that, what I will do, I will just bring this car into the timeline and place them like this. So first what I will do, I will double click on the top car. Okay, first go into the last frame of this image, double click on it and click on add keyframe, then go into the first image, and what I will do, I will just drag this down and then click on OK. Now what I will do, I will go into the last, click on add, and then go into the first keyframe and then move this image out of the frame and click on OK. Now if you go back and play, let's just see how it looks. As you can see, it slowly joins and we have the image. So what you can do, as you can see, it's quite slow. So what I will do, I will decrease the overall time by shrinking this image. Now let's play again. It's still very slow. Now let's just play and see for one last time, hopefully. So as you can see, that is the puzzle transition that I was talking about. This transition is very similar to the LumaFade plus freeze frame effect that we created earlier. So you can check that out, check that video out by clicking in the link in the top right corner or in the description below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to follow for more Filmora tutorials, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's it guys from my side. See you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.